Morning sir, I'm Dana Milaso at ito po ang aking topic, Early Stage of E-Commerce. Year period, early 2000, event innovation. Initial e-commerce activities involve business creating their own website and operating e-commerce back office. Why it's important? These early efforts laid the foundation for online selling. Truth they face challenges such as complex internet infrastructure and policy gaps. The passage of the Electronic Commerce Act provided legal recognition and accountability for online transaction building and trust in the digital space. Para sa akin po, kung gagawa ko ng sarili kong negosyo ay kailangan is yung business planning. Sa pagninegosyo, kailangan kung gusto mong maging improvement ang iyong negosyo ay kailangan mong maging mapagmatsyag, kailangan focus ka sa sarili mong itatayong negosyo. Pero kung patamad ka po ng patamad, patuloy din babagsak ang iyong negosyo at yan ang mahalaga, ang business planning. Meron din dito yung strategy para sa pagtatayo ng negosyo tulad ng financial. Yan po ay mahalaga. Ang e-commerce po kasi, ito yung mas malawak na pagpipilian ng produkto, tapos may mga mababang presyo at nagbibigay daan din ito sa negosyo. Meron din ito yung online gamit ang mga website or mobile app at iba pang digital platform. Yun lang po, salamat.
Good day, sir. My name is Francisco Bayo Cosing Jr. And for my introduction, e-commerce and m-commerce have significantly evolved in the Philippines, driven by increasing internet penetration, smartphone use, and changing consumer behavior. The COVID-19 pandemic further accelerated this growth, making online shopping a dominant force in the retail sector. For an example, e-commerce and e-commerce, it's like a traditional brick and mortar stores to online platforms for buying and selling goods and services. E-commerce is like a denotes transaction conducted via mobile device. For internet penetration, it's the population with access to the internet to increase means more people that can participate in online activities include like shopping, for smartphone use has made it easier for consumers to access the internet and engage in online shopping that will contribute significantly to the growth of m-commerce and also e-commerce. Changing consumer behaviors. It's our expectation and habits of consumer that has more great demand for convenience, personalized, and also experience for our online transaction. These three types of internet penetration, smartphone use, changing consumer, that because of that COVID-19 pandemic makes it the more famous, like having more consumers to online shopping due to lockdowns, social distancing measures, and for their concern safety. For the impact of the retail sector, like the sports online shopping has become a major player in the sector, impacting traditional business models and requiring retailers to adapt to the digital landscape. the pandemic it's make accelerated growth significantly speed by adoption of e-commerce, like leading to unprecedented growth rates in a shift in consumer. And for additionally, for our future simplification, this will challenge and opportunities for our e-commerce and also for our m-commerce that will improve our regulatory and cyber security measures. That's
Good day, sir. I'm Matt Jacob Abule, and my topic is acceleration during the pandemic. This is year 2020 to 2021. The event that happened that time is there is a disease called COVID-19. It made a huge impact on businesses because the brick and mortar stores face substantial problems. Online marketplaces like Lazada, Shopee, and Facebook Marketplace became indispensable tools for local sellers. Many entrepreneurs adopted innovation solutions like cashless payments and contactless delivery to meet changing customer needs. The COVID-19 pandemic is dramatically changed how business is conducted worldwide, deeply affecting the Philippines. Lockdowns and social distancing measures forced businesses to adapt quickly, making e-commerce a crucial resource. Mobile commerce became a dominant force due to the country's high mobile penetration rate, with many preferring smartphones for shopping and transactions. The Philippine government recognized the importance of e-commerce in the post-pandemic recovery and launched initiatives to improve digital infrastructure and strengthen regulations for online businesses. My explanation about e-commerce and m-commerce complement each other is m-commerce drives e-commerce growth by enabling on-the-go shopping, especially in a country where internet users access the web via mobile. Platforms like Shopee and Lazada dominate traffic with market shares, respectively, via mobile optimized apps. Social commerce integration. M-commerce thrives through live selling on TikTok Shop, Facebook, and Instagram, where Filipino businesses use live streams to attract customers. This blends e-commerce product listings with real-time mobile engagement. Mobile wallets like GCash and Maya bring e-commerce transactions, addressing the preference for cashless payments while supporting cash-on-delivery logistics via mobile tracking. My fearless prediction about e-commerce and m-commerce evolution is AI-driven personalization platforms like Lazada already use AR to tailor recommendation with users favoring AI-powered interactions. Future systems will predict preferences using location data via m-commerce, GPS, and browsing history. Mobile banking adoption will reduce reliance on COD by integrating buy now, pay later options into apps.
Good day, sir. Ako po si Markian Rabit. Ito po ang aking report. Growth of m-commerce year period 2023 to 2024. Event innovation, mobile commerce. M-commerce has seen substantial growth due to increased smartphone use in mobile internet connectivity. M-commerce is projected to grow by 20.4% year-on-year to 9.2 billion in 2024. Why it's important? The rise of e-commerce is closely linked to the expansion of digital payment system and mobile wallets, offering consumers ease and security mobile first strategies such as integrating buy now pay later option are becoming essential for retailers to capture the growing digital audience. Sa ano naman paliwanag ko, sir? Like sa mga Gcash po, tapos ayun po, Gcash, dati kasi walang kunyari dati, kailangan dumala ka ng pira kapag bibili ka. Ngayon kahit sa Gcash na lang ibabayad yung pera. Mas napapadali yung transaction, kaya yun, ito yung growth e-commerce. Tapos kapag kailangan mo naman kapag kailangan mo naman labas ng pira tulad sa GCash, pwede ka mag-cash out doon. Kumbaga mas napapadali yung mga communication ngayon, di tulad dati na mahirap.
Good day everyone, my name is Christian Cabanilla. My topic is technological advancement and future trends. Year period. Ongoing. Technological advancements are happening rapidly, and 2025 is shaping up to be an existing year for innovation. Event and innovation. Integration of AI, machine learning, and augmented reality technologies to enhance the online shopping experience. Integration of AI is the user of AI technology to improve system and application and strengthen customer relationship. Machine learning is a technology that enables computers to learn and improve their tasks through data and experience. Augmented reality is technology that adds digital information to the real world and to improve user experience. So, these technologies are used to make online shopping faster for customer. Why it's important? These technologies enable personalized shopping experience, reduce return rates, and increase customer satisfaction. The use of social media for e-commerce and the development of AI-powered customer service tools are also shaping the industry. Personalized shopping experience refers to the tailored and customized interaction that customers have with online retailers based on interest. Reduced return rates refers to the decrease in the number of products that customers return to a retailer or online store. Increased customer satisfaction refers to the improvement and customer overall experience and perception of a product, service, or brand. Social media for e-commerce refers to the use of social media platform to promote and sell products or service online. AI-powered customer service tools are revolutionizing the way businesses interact with their customer. By using these technologies, businesses can improve their customer service, increase sales and revenue, maintain market position, be more competitive with other businesses. Therefore, these technologies have become important for businesses to improve their operations, increase efficiency, and enhance customer satisfaction. Thank you.